Let's go ahead and do a review of AlphaCX, which lets you scale your customer support and improve turnaround time across multiple channels. It's alternative to Zendesk, Freshdesk, and Salesforce and would be best fit for customers' support teams and e-commerce businesses wanting to expand their customer support without increasing workload. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into AlphaCX AI and see how it works. You can grab lifetime deal for $69 and for $69 you can get 3 agent seats. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. AlphaCX is an omni-channel communication platform that can scale up your customer support, minus the extra workload. Whether you're handling queries via email, social media, or Messenger, AlphaCX lets you engage with customers across channels with one inbox. Connect to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, or embed a live chat widget on your website to stay connected with your customers. Plus, you'll be able to leverage third-party integrations and streamline all of your support processes at scale. AlphaCX lets you manage service-level agreements, SLAs, with built-in automation tools, so you can trust your customers. Automate SLAs using custom parameters or deadlines to improve your turnaround time and overall quality of support. Want a quicker way to respond to feedback? Create email and SMS templates with dynamic placeholders for customer info. You can even automatically send notifications and escalations to team members, ensuring that tickets are handled ASAP. AlphaCX lets you create your own knowledge base to answer customer queries and reduce workload for your support team. You can easily publish articles with helpful info on your products or services, as well as cover essential FAQs. This resource can help customers resolve loads of smaller issues, which frees up your team to focus on more complicated tickets. With AlphaCX, it's easy to export detailed reports that track team productivity and analyze the customer experience. Export support tickets in PDF and CSV formats to deliver regulatory reports that reflect the quality of your customer support. You can also fully customize your analytics dashboard and reports by sorting data by category, date, and status. When people say they love vintage throwbacks, they usually don't mean old-school customer support. Luckily, AlphaCX streamlines your customer support, so you can tackle more tickets without overwhelming your support staff. Scale your support with ease. Get lifetime access to AlphaCX today.